Good morning, kids. For today's craft, we will make boat. 2D. See the boat here standing. So in this way, we will make boat, and for that we need only one color paper, small size, and one Fevistick. Okay. So let's start to make boat. It is very simple. First, you have to fold it like this, then we will fold it like this, other side, then we will fold it like rectangle, both sides, both rectangle sides. So we will get this curves. Now what we have to do, we have to put this side like this, one side, any one side, and then opposite of this side, and do one thing carefully, press the edges properly. Whenever you do something, press the edges properly. Now what we have to do, we have to fold that two portion, see, and put it in and fold it. See what I done. Again I am showing. I will put this two portion touch and then fold it. See. Okay, now when this work is done, now I will put it like this. After this side, remember, left side I have to fold it full, and then I will put it little down, fold it little down, and this corner I'll put like this. See, it can stand also. You can see how nicely it's standing. It's very nicely standing. You can see it. So children, this is the 2D boat for today's craft. Hope you will enjoy. We will stick it in the page. See. Okay, bye for now.